Welcome to Mightychic, your ultimate destination for luxury handbags. Today we are delighted to introduce the exquisite Hermès HAC, a 2 PM backpack, a masterpiece in faux orange Togo calfskin. This stunning backpack features exquisite palladium-plated hardware and a functional D-ring, offering a touch of refined sophistication. Every detail of the hardware exudes luxury, making this backpack a true statement piece. The durability and shine of the palladium-plated elements ensure that this bag will remain a cherished accessory for years to come. The iconic lock, keys, clochette, sleepers, and Hermes signature box complete this luxurious ensemble, making it a perfect addition to your collection. The lock and keys not only provide security, but also add a classic Hermes touch to the backpack. The clochette, designed to hold the keys, is a stylish addition that exemplifies Hermes's attention to detail. The inclusion of sleepers ensures that your bag stays protected when not in use, preserving its pristine condition. The adjustable shoulder strap ensures both comfort and versatility, while the spacious interior compartment, complemented by an interior back pocket, provides ample space for your essentials. Indulge in the unparalleled craftsmanship and timeless elegance of the Hermes HAC, a 2 PM backpack. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit mightychic.com for more exclusive luxury handbag reviews and offers.